Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Bake with Khushi. Today instead of making anything sweet, we're gonna make this. I'm tired of eating sweets over Diwali, so I thought why not give it a new twist. This is very healthy and easy to make. I'm going to be making baked potatoes today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. For this. Now the grill that I've used here is the one that I use in my oven or OTG as well. I have taken here medium sized potatoes. If you get bigger potatoes at your place, feel free to use them because later on we're going to fill these potatoes. So the bigger the potatoes, the better it is for your dish. Now I've placed here around 7 potatoes, and now I'm going to use some butter, and using the butter I am going to glaze all my potatoes like this. Make sure to cover your potatoes all around using the butter, or you can use any oil also of your choice. This is what is going to help them bake. Now the only thing that I'm going to be using right now is this pasta seasoning. I have pasta seasoning. You can use oregano or just some Italian herbs and sprinkle this all over your potatoes. This will give it a good taste, and once it's baked it will give you a very good aroma as well. This is how the herbs will stick to your potato because of the butter. They'll stay right there. Now my potatoes are ready to be placed in an oven. The setting for your oven or OTG should be at 180 Celsius, and the setting should be also on bake. Now bake it well for around 20 minutes. Don't forget to preheat your oven for 10 minutes before placing in the potato. Now my potatoes have baked. You can already see the difference. The potatoes will turn very soft, and you can see the peel crumble. Now using a knife, I'm going to make a slit in between the potatoes. I'm doing this so that the filling, which is the potato inside, can come out and we can replace it with our own filling. Now make sure that the cut is long enough to fill it, but not too long that the potato splits into two halves. Now slowly using a spoon, make sure to get out all the potato in it. The potato should be taken out in such a way that the peel is still intact like this. I'm gonna keep these potatoes aside, and I'm gonna make my filling first. For this I've taken a bowl, and in this bowl I'm going to start by adding the potatoes that we had taken out from the peel earlier. I'm not going to use all the potatoes because it will be too much for the filling. So I've taken here around 1/3 of the potatoes, around half cup of capsicum, half cup of tomato, and half cup of sweet corn. To this I'm going to be adding another half cup of chopped onions, and now I'm going to be adding some cheese to it. I'm not putting in all my cheese because I'm going to use the remaining cheese to decorate my baked potatoes. According to your choice, you can add your cheese. Now I've taken some red chili powder, salt to taste, black pepper, and now I'm going to mix all of this really well. If you want, you can add some sauces according to your taste, but I'm not adding it right now. I'm going to add it in the end to my potato. I'm going to add some chopped coriander leaves as well. Now all of this is optional. You can make the filling according to your taste or your choice of vegetables. Feel free to remove or add anything. Now my filling is ready, so I've taken the potatoes that we had kept aside earlier, and I'm going to start filling it like this. You can try pressing in the filling so that you can add more filling in it. Make sure that it is covered to the brim, otherwise you will feel that your potatoes are very dry. Like this, it should peep out, but it shouldn't be too much that the filling starts falling from within. Bake it for 5 more minutes on the same setting. Time for the final step. Now my baked potatoes are ready. So I'm going to use this pizza pasta sauce to top it. Yeah, on some potatoes I've used the pizza pasta sauce, and on some potatoes I've used some mint chutney. Now you can use any other sauce of your choice. You can use mayonnaise or just plain ketchup. It is totally up to you. Now after adding all of this, I'm going to use the cheese that we had kept aside earlier. Using the cheese, I'm going to sprinkle it on the potatoes like so. You can skip this step or do this. It is totally up to you. My baked potatoes are now ready. They look very tempting and they're extremely healthy. I think that's the best part about them. They don't need any frying or any such sort of oil in it, and you can eat vegetables also with this, so that's like a add-on. And until then, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and bye.